Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to see presentation notes while presenting PowerPoint slides on Zoom. This is incredibly useful when you need to reference your talking points and keep track of time during a presentation, while ensuring your audience only sees the polished slides themselves. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to join or start a Zoom meeting. Whether you're the host or a participant, make sure you're connected to the meeting before you begin setting up your presentation. This ensures everything is ready to go when it's time to share your content. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom of your Zoom window and click the Share Screen button. This is typically displayed with a green upward arrow icon. Clicking this will open a window showing you all the screens and applications you can share with your audience. In this window, you'll see various options for what you can share. Select the screen that has your PowerPoint application open. This is important because you want to share the specific screen where your presentation is running. Once you've selected it, click the Share button at the bottom right of the window to confirm your selection. At this point, your screen is being broadcast to your Zoom participants so they can see what you're doing. Now navigate to your PowerPoint presentation if it's not already front and center. Look at the upper right corner of PowerPoint and click the Slideshow button. This will prepare your presentation to be displayed in its full slideshow format. Next, start the slideshow in PowerPoint. When you do this, PowerPoint will automatically launch in presenter view if your settings are configured correctly. This is the magic step that makes everything work seamlessly. Here's what happens now. Your screen will display presenter view, which shows you everything you need, including your presentation notes, a timer to help you pace yourself, and a preview of the next slide coming up. This view is incredibly helpful for staying organized and confident during your presentation. Meanwhile, your Zoom audience will only see the clean, professional slides without any of your notes or additional information. They get the polished presentation while you have all the tools you need to deliver it effectively. When you're finished presenting and want to stop sharing your screen, simply click the Stop Share button in your Zoom controls at the top of the screen. This will end the screen sharing and bring you back to the regular meeting view. And that's it. You've successfully presented PowerPoint slides on Zoom while keeping your notes private and visible only to yourself. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.